Hey you guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are ready for this crazy vlog because I've already started vlogging and it's kind of like very random all over the place. So if you guys could just bear with me, that would be great. Alright, so I really wanted to take you guys with me to TJ Maxx just to show you guys like what's new and, you know, just to take you guys kind of along with me and give y'all a little like sneak peek, I guess, of what's in TJ Maxx. So they had a lot of clothes, like active gear on clearance, and I love active gear, so they had a bunch of shirts by 90 Degree that was like on sale, so that's awesome. I was really considering getting one, but they're more like tank tops, I feel like. But they also had more than just active gear for clearance. They also had this pumpkin spice whipped topping on clearance, which was pretty cool. I was considering buying it. And I was considering buying this, but you know, we gotta save money. We are broke right now. They had these cookie tarts for $2.50. They look really good. I really want to try new food instead of the same old. And they had this crystal there for $6. I thought it was like really cute. And then they had a bunch of like hydro flask on clearance, which I thought was really, really awesome. And I went ahead and actually bought that blue hydro flask that you guys saw. And they had this beautiful little frame with a cute little like quote on it on clearance as well. So me and my sister are gonna hit the gym at my dad's place.
It's apartment.
Yeah, my dad's apartment. I'm too lazy to literally walk all the way over there. But yeah, my sister, she's gonna come with me. That way I don't feel weird at the gym, just in case there is people there. So yeah, I will update you guys when I get to the gym. Alright you guys, so we are here at the gym, the apartment gym. So I think I'm just gonna get on the treadmill for a little bit. And I'm gonna probably leave in like an hour or something. My goal is just to be sweating bullets, and that's when I know it's time to leave. Alright guys, so we're going on a random McDonald's little like spree at 9:30 at night. So yeah, thanks to my dad, we're probably gonna get some like ice cream or something like that. I mean, not like the best choice to like be eating if you're trying to lose weight, but I mean, I'm not trying to lose weight, but I always complain about I need to lose weight. So yeah, do you get where like I'm going with this? Because I don't. So I will see you guys in the driveway. Okay, so I'm a bad vlogger because I didn't record at McDonald's, but I just got me this Oreo McFlurry. This smacks. Like, you need to try this if you haven't tried the Oreo McFlurry. We love to look rough on this side of town. Whatever the heck that means. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I already ate breakfast. I didn't brush my teeth when I first woke up and got ready because when I eat breakfast, I don't like the taste of like mint. I don't know if that's just me, but like it just doesn't go with like my breakfast and it just leaves like a weird taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth now and get my hair situated and maybe put some concealer on. Maybe. My skin is doing pretty good again, you guys. You see, like, my skin is bipolar. Yo, I just realized I'm getting a pimple where my eyebrow is. This always happens to me too. Like, does that happen to you guys? Because it happens to me. Like, it doesn't happen too often, but it happens every once in a while. I brush my teeth. I'm going to just do a little bit of mouthwash just to have that extra minty taste. Okay. Ding! Alright. So that's it. So today's like vlog is gonna be like going to the new house. As you know, I'm staying with my dad at his apartment with my little siblings, but my mom and her boyfriend just bought a house for all of us. Today we're supposed to be unpacking things for the new house. Gonna be fun. Okay, it's not really gonna be fun, but I'm probably not gonna wear makeup because, like, for what if we're just gonna be unpacking things? I also ended up packing some clothes and I'm gonna go take them to Play-Doh Closet, see what they're gonna take. And if they're not gonna take anything, I'm just gonna donate the clothes. I think that's about it. Like, that was kind of crazy, like a little bit all over the place, but I think you get the gist. Okay. Okay, I'm really hot. I probably shouldn't have put a big ass jacket on like this, but I already turned my clothes in at Play-Doh's. They gave me like 14 bucks. Something is better than nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the apartment because we can't go to the house just yet because they're ripping out the carpet and we can't be in these people's way. Alrighty, it's still the same day. I just have that little shirt that you guys saw me in underneath, but we're most likely not gonna go today just because these people are there to rip out the carpets and I have the kids with me, so I don't need the kids to be in their way, and then everybody's gonna be unpacking things from like the U-Haul, and I don't think they need like a bunch of more people in the house while they're trying to unpack and everything like that, and the kids are gonna be bored there. I know that for a fact. And yeah, so we might as well just go tomorrow. That way we're not in nobody's way and they can have like the big stuff down. I was gonna help them like unload and stuff like that, but I mean, let's be real here. I can't lift up like heavy things, you know, heavy things like that. So they have a bunch of people there helping them out, and my brother is also there helping out. So I'm pretty bummed out that we didn't get to go see the house, but it's okay because there's always tomorrow. So as you guys can see, we are washing our clothes in the laundry room because my dad doesn't have a washer or dryer. So we've been in here for a good minute. While the clothes are drying, we're gonna go to the gym, which is right next door. We're gonna take Hachi out to pee because he has to pee really, really bad. And as you can see, he's like all up on me because he needs to go pee. And then we get the cat and the dogs like food or water or whatever. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog like right here. Sorry if the vlog was like all over the place. I was just kind of trying to show you guys what it is that me and my siblings, or what it is that I'm doing like at my dad's apartment at like random times. Yeah, it's not really much, you know. We're just waiting to get back into our new house. The day is getting closer and closer to move into our new house with my mom and her boyfriend. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this random vlog, and I will see you guys next time.